Alright guys, welcome to Tuesday's directions video. Big day for us as we're starting our careers project today. Again, for people who are online and who have not had me in person, remember this is a mandatory project. If you do not do it, you do not pass the class regardless of your grade at the end of the trimester. So it's a very highly important project. So let's begin with day one then. Let's begin with the career test. Now, this may be a little bit complicated for some, but here's the sheet that we're going to use. All right. Now, you can print it off and you can handwrite your stuff in there, and then you can take a picture and send it to me. Your call. You could also just lay out a Google Doc like this. As long as you have kind of your layout very similar to the sheet, I'll be able to figure out what you're talking about. Okay, so this is your guide. Now, it says go to your freecareertest.com. We're not really going to do that. We're just going to go to this website. So here's how you do it. Okay, this is the website we use for the entire careers project. So you can save the login information and everything. So it's called Minnesota Career Information System. All you have to do is go to Google MCIS every time. It's the first link. So we'll click on the first one, mcis.com. It'll be a site like this. Now, this does require a login. So for us in Park Rapids, our username is all lowercase, PRAHS, Park Rapids Area High School. All right, and the login, the password, is all lowercase, and it's just Panthers. And again, one more time, all lowercase, Panthers, like the animal, like Park Rapids Panthers. All right, it is plural, so Panthers with an S at the end. And once you have that, you'll be able to log in. So now that we're here, we're going to get to the career aptitude test, or the career assessment, to help us fill out our worksheet. So we go to assessments, we just scroll over it. We don't have to click or anything, we just got to scroll over it. And now what we're going to do is called the career cluster inventory. So we're going to click that. And it's basically going to just be like a career test where you're just going to respond to the sentences with these four options. Click rate this activity, and that somehow means start it for some reason. I don't know why, but it does. So what you do then is you go fishing. Okay, and I very much like that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to actually sit here and go through it so you get the career that you're looking for. For me, I'm just going to quickly click through it so I can bring you guys to the next phase in this whole project. So step one, get onto the website, log in. Step two, take this career aptitude test. Now that we get our results, we'll be able to actually go through it. All right, so it asks you what were your top three categories. So 1, 2, 3. So let's go through our first one first. So my top category, according to the survey, my score of 11 was agricultural, food, and natural resources. So what I would do then is on my sheet here for number 1 right here, that's where I would write in that career cluster or that career category. Okay, so that's where I would type it in. So number 1, agricultural, food, natural resources, I would type that right there. Now my interest level, that would just be your score. So my interest level is a 11. So I put that as right here, 11. Now next it says recommended high school courses, and that's pretty easy. So for this one now we actually have to click on it. Okay, so we've clicked on it, and now we're at this page. And remember, it was helpful high school courses. So a lot of this is just going to go down the side here. So perfect, helpful high school courses. And you have the list of names right here. And what I'll do is I'll just pick a few, right? And I'll just write down 2 or 3 of them right here. Okay? So we've done that. Boom, we're done. Next part, and the last part, is example careers, pick 3. Okay, so in this cluster now, if we go back to the overview of it, we have to pick 3 career fields. So let's actually click on career fields. And this one will actually give me a big list of names here. And so just make sure you go through and find the ones that have it, like under occupations, I should say, sorry. Under occupations, you'll be able to kind of see what's going on here. So to help out with the career part, I got a little confused there in accident. For the example careers, make sure that when you're at this phase, this part right here, make sure you click on occupation. Sorry, for some reason I got confused on my own thing. And then you just click on a few. So anything that kind of seems interesting to you. So for me, let's just go meat cutter. So I would look at it. Perfect. That sounds something I might want to do. So what I would do then is back on my sheet here for the example careers, number 1, meat cutter. That's it. The second one then that I would maybe click on, I don't know, animal control worker. Boom. Number 2, animal control worker. All right, so you just do that. And then now we've completed our first career cluster. Now we got to do that again for our one that we got second place in our survey. So if we go back to our survey one more time, make sure you write down your 3 surveys first, your 3 career clusters first, your 3 high scores. It'll make it a lot easier. So then you just go back, you'll find your second one, and then you'll be able to just repeat and continue on. Hopefully that helps, guys. I'm kind of running out of time here. But if you have any questions, obviously just email me, and I'll be able to shoot you an email back, and we'll be able to get this done. So this is the assignment for today. Good luck, everybody.